Hello, this is Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. This is number 120 in our 100 series, and this particular video is on deleting things. At this particular point, if you've gotten through all the videos up until now, you should be able to create pretty much everything necessary to generate a general event in Gigbuilder or appointment. What we would suggest you do now is play around with it. Create a few things, enjoy yourself, populate Gigbuilder up, and when you're ready to start actually building your own company, it's time to delete things. So we're just going to go in here into resources and into meeting locations. And I'm just going to pull up the Nautilus River Valley Vineyards. And you saw this in an earlier video. This is a meeting location. And at the bottom of this and just about everything else in Gigbuilder, whether it be an event, an employee, anything, is this red delete button. Click it. What happens is Gigbuilder goes in and it determines if this particular item, for example, this meeting location, is it connected to anything? In this case here, we've got this in a first client meeting appointment on Wednesday 11:30. So if I simply delete this, this particular appointment is no longer going to have a meeting location. That's perfectly fine. You may want to do that, but you can also reassign, and you'll be able to do this to everything. So let's type star for Starbucks because we had the Starbucks in there. We'll click Starbucks, and so now it says new resource Starbucks. So any Nautilus River Valley Vineyards is going to be changed to Starbucks, and we can see there's only one. So I hit the delete button. It makes its changes, brings you back to wherever it was you were before. And now you're back to the view where it all started. So now Starbucks is the only location left, and it now has the different, in this case here, the appointment that was associated with now is associated with Starbucks. So that's how you delete anything in Gigbuilder. It goes in, it checks, it sees if it's required anywhere, or if it's used anywhere, gives you the opportunity to change it, and then removes it from the system. With that point here, we are done with this video, and now we're ready to go back into a few minor setup options before we complete the 100 series.